Thursday, with showers possible. This is a test of the weather radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Connectors of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. The section of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. So the warning becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warning, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, David, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Hardin, Hope, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Wilhampton, Orange, Gerson, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Bland, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Will, Wilson, and Atkins. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlboro, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pennsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system. Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilson, and Atkins. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlboro, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pennsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system.
This is our new weather radio station. Wow, from Whiteville. Finally!
Station WXL50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland, and in South Carolina for Marlboro and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
There we go, guys.